Hey, welcome to our new video. Today in this video we will talk about top digital marketing trends you can ignore in 2021. At one time, artificial intelligence, data-driven marketing and voice search engine optimization, VSEO, were ambitious concepts bordering on the ridiculous. Today, these innovative digital marketing trends are among the top priorities for most business owners in 2021. And why wouldn't they be? After all, if your business has any intention of remaining competitive in today's online landscape, you must adapt to the rapidly evolving changes in digital marketing. Digital marketing trends for 2021. Number 1. AI-powered optimization. Just a couple years ago, Gartner analysts predicted that by 2020, AI technologies would be pervasive in almost every new software product and service. In fact, according to TechGuru, artificial intelligence is the biggest commercial opportunity for companies, industries, and nations over the next few decades, which means that AI latecomers will find themselves at a serious competitive disadvantage within the next several years. AI can analyze consumer behavior and search patterns, and use data from social media platforms and blog posts to help businesses understand how customers find their products and services. One exciting example of AI in practice is Chatbots. MasterCard created a Facebook Messenger bot which uses natural language processing software to decipher what the customer wants. Number 2. Programmatic Advertising. Programmatic advertising means using AI to automate ad buying so you can target more specific audiences. Real-time bidding, for example, is a type of programmatic ad buying. This automation is much more efficient and fast, which means higher conversions and lower customer acquisition costs. It's changing the face of digital advertising so swiftly that, according to eMarketer, 86.2% of digital display ads in the US will be programmatic by 2020. According to Irina Kovalenko of Smarty Ads, most search-driven manual advertising campaigns, even those performed with professional tools, take into account 3 or 4 targets: the keyword, time of day, and location. Number 3. Chatbots. Chatbots will continue to be an important part of digital marketing in 2021. This AI-based technology uses instant messaging to chat in real time, day or night, with your customers or site visitors. Surveys show that chatbots will power 85% of customer service by 2021. Top benefits of chatbots are 24-hour service, 64%, instant responses to inquiries, 55%. Many customers prefer interacting with chatbots as they are responsive 24/7, give answers promptly, accurately recall your entire buying history, and never lose patience. These virtual assistants offer outstanding customer service by meeting customers' expectations and automating repetitive tasks, which means that you can focus on more important work. Number 4. Conversational marketing. With all the talk about chatbots, the reality of modern marketing becomes clear: it's more conversational. People want it that way, and so brands are reacting. When consumers have a question, 82% want an immediate response. Conversational marketing facilitates a one-to-one, real-time connection between marketers and customers. Unlike traditional strategies, this form of marketing is now available across multiple channels, allowing brands to meet customers on their terms, on the devices, platforms and time schedules that suit the customer best. Number 5. Personalization. If you want to stand out in 2021, you need to personalize your marketing, and that means personalized content, products, emails and more. Consider these personalization stats. 63% of consumers are highly annoyed with generic advertising blasts. 80% say they are more likely to do business with a company if it offers personalized experiences. 90% claim they find personalization. Number 6. Video marketing. Video marketing is one of, if not the, most important marketing trend today and likely for the next 5 to 10 years. These numbers show the importance of incorporating video into your digital marketing strategy in 2021. 70% of consumers say that they have shared a brand's video. 72% of businesses say that video has improved their conversion rate. And don't just think YouTube. There are plenty of ways to drive higher engagement with your video marketing, as you can make a video post or start a live broadcast on Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn. One of the issues that marketers have faced in recent years is the growing shift to mobile devices. Number 7. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a type of word-of-mouth marketing that focuses on using key leaders to amplify your brand message to a larger market. Influencers can be well-known celebrities, but more often they are Instagram or YouTube personalities with a huge niche following who can help spread the word about your business or product through their social channels. Because influencer marketing is generally more authentic than corporate advertising, 63% of consumers trust influencers' opinions of products much more than what brands say about themselves. 58% of people have bought a new product in the past 6 months because of an influencer's recommendation. Number 8. Social messaging apps. If you think social messaging apps are just for sending emojis to your friends, take a look at these numbers. 10 billion messages are sent between people and businesses on Facebook Messenger every month. WhatsApp has 1.6 billion active users and 55 billion messages are sent via every day. The top 3 social messaging apps: WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger and WeChat. These statistics show the popularity of social messaging apps, and since people are spending more time messaging each other, it makes sense to market your company's products and services where your potential customers are hanging out. Social messaging apps can be very useful in sending messages to customers directly, as they allow personalization and add value to the user experience. Number 9. Visual search. Visual search can take the user experience to a totally new level. People can upload an image to conduct a search and get more specific results. Not surprisingly, Pinterest has jumped on the visual search bandwagon. They came out with Lens, a visual search tool that allows users to take a photo of an item to find out where to buy it online. Search for similar products. Since the launch of the beta version, Pinterest's Lens now recognizes 2.5 billion home and fashion objects, has inspired over 600 million searches on Pinterest's mobile apps and browser extensions, and has seen a 140% uptick from launch day. They introduced pin codes, a QR code type technology that enables you to find inspiration while you're out shopping or flipping through your favorite magazines. They launched Lens Your Look to take the guesswork out of outfit planning. They partnered with brands like Samsung to bring visual search to its latest smartphones and Target to allow customers to search their catalog using related products they see in the real world. They've fully automated Shop the Look, a feature that helps users buy products from companies that work with Pinterest, so you can. Number 10. Micro-moments. A micro-moment is an intent-rich moment when a person turns to a device to act on a need to know, go, do or buy. To take advantage of micro-moments in 2021, you need to be where consumers are searching for information in the moment, or, as Google puts it, marketers have to be there, be useful, be quick. In 2021 and beyond, the customer journey will be more dynamic and unpredictable, as it needs to respond to rapid changes in consumer desires. After all, in the mobile age, people have become accustomed to instant gratification. If they think or talk about something, they want to learn more, see more and buy more of it with just a few clicks of a button. That's it for now. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.